Good morning, fourth graders. Today in math, we're going to continue practicing prime and composite numbers like we were working on yesterday. If you need a refresher, go ahead back and re-watch the video that I posted yesterday. Our activity today, what you need to do is use the highlight tools to select two different colors. One color to highlight all of the prime numbers and another color to highlight all of the composite numbers. If you're looking at the hundreds chart, you'll see that I crossed out the number 1. I did that because 1 technically isn't prime or composite because it only has one factor. You can use whichever strategy you like to help you figure out which numbers are prime and composite, but think about some shortcuts you could use that will be a big time saver. So for example, I know all of the numbers that end in 0, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. The number 5 fits into all of those evenly. 5 also fits in to all of the numbers that end in 5 evenly. So immediately I just save myself a ton of time because I already know those numbers are composite because 5 fits into them evenly as well as 1 and itself. See if you can find any other tricks and time savers like the one that I just used. As you're working, make sure that you're highlighting the composite numbers one color and prime numbers another color. I'd recommend pausing the video now. Try to figure out as many of these on your own as you can, and then come back and we'll go over the answers together. All right, so I'm going to continue highlighting all of my prime numbers and my composite numbers using as many shortcuts as I can think of. So I already showed you the shortcut of highlighting all the numbers that end in 5s and 0s. You can also highlight all of the even numbers because you know that even numbers are multiples of 2. And if 2 fits into it evenly, that means it has to be composite. I can also highlight all of the numbers that 3 fits into evenly by skip counting by 3s. You can use other tricks as well as you're looking down. So for example, I see 77. I know that 11 fits into 77 evenly, so I could highlight that. The remaining numbers I'm going to go through and just double check to make sure that they're prime before I highlight them. I ended up missing 2 composite numbers when I was highlighting those. 49 is composite because 7 fits into it evenly, and 91 is also composite because 7 fits into it evenly. So just to go over to make sure you have all the right answers, the prime numbers you should have had highlighted were 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. I hope that went well for you today, and I hope you have a wonderful, relaxing weekend.